Looking to boost your car's radio reception while upgrading your vehicle's look? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 car antennas that combine performance, durability, and style. First on our list is the RYDONAIR 7-inch short rubber antenna, a favorite among truck and SUV owners who want improved AM/FM reception without the tall, clunky factory antenna. This model is built with a copper core, which transmits signals more effectively than aluminum. The design is sleek, flexible, and durable, making it car wash safe and resistant to bending. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, Dodge, and Chevrolet trucks, and installation takes only a few minutes. Many users report comparable or even better reception than their stock antennas, which makes this a top pick for both performance and aesthetics. Next up is the AntennaMastsRus 6 3/4-inch short rubber antenna, known for its excellent construction and superior signal strength. With over 9,000 positive reviews, this antenna is a consistent bestseller. The copper coil inside enhances reception significantly over cheaper alternatives, and the rubber coating helps it withstand harsh weather and frequent car washes. It's compatible with a wide range of models, especially full-size trucks and SUVs. Whether you live in an urban area or somewhere more rural, users report that the signal performance is stable and reliable. If you want a tried-and-true upgrade that blends into your vehicle's design, this one checks every box. In the third spot, we have the RONIN factory 5-inch bullet antenna, which offers a rugged, tactical aesthetic and is built from solid billet aluminum. This isn't just a stylish accessory, it also delivers good signal performance in most city and suburban areas. Its smart lock anti-theft system adds a layer of security, making it harder to remove without proper tools. Though it may not be the best in extremely remote regions, its solid reception in populated areas and bold appearance make it a popular choice for those looking to make a visual statement while keeping basic functionality intact. Moving on, the Basaker 7-inch short antenna is especially popular among Jeep owners and off-road enthusiasts. It offers a tough design that's ideal for outdoor environments where tree branches, mud, and water might come into contact with your antenna. This model includes a copper core and a waterproof rubber exterior, ensuring both durability and excellent signal transmission. Jeep owners often report great reception even after extensive trail use and through multiple car washes. If you're the adventurous type and need a tough, reliable antenna, this model won't disappoint. Rounding out our list is the HAOBO carbon fiber short antenna, which is universally compatible and comes with a range of adapters to fit nearly any vehicle. At 9 inches, it strikes a balance between performance and modern styling. The carbon fiber body adds a sporty touch, while the internal copper elements maintain reliable reception. It's a favorite among drivers who want something a little different, with reviewers noting how well it performs across various frequency bands. The car wash safe design means you don't need to remove it before cleaning, and it holds up well over time.